My name is Mark Donnigan. I'm Vice President of Marketing for Beamr. Beamr is a very interesting company. We actually were founded to solve a problem that every network has today, and that is video traffic is increasing at almost an exponential rate. The consumer demand for quality is increasing. Meanwhile, network capacities are not always keeping up. So this creates a real crunch, as you can imagine. So the company was founded on the premise, founded to develop technology that could take photos and videos, and we're here specifically talking about our video technology, and reduce the size but retain quality. That's the core technology of the company. Before Beamr, companies were encoding video in a preset format, often called recipes. The challenge here is that when you do that, in some cases you're actually using more data than is required. In other cases, you're not using enough data, and that's when we would say degradation is introduced into the video picture. What's unique about our technology is we only use the bits that are required to properly represent the video in the best quality as you desire. Beamr's solution is really revolutionary because we encode and we optimize at the frame level. Many solutions don't do that, and what ends up happening again is they often use either too many bits or not enough bits, and we talked about this as being a problem with degradation. What's special is we have 31 patents granted and we have more than 23 pending, very large IP portfolio that defines a process where we can effectively control the rate control of the encoder at the frame level and get phenomenal performance as measured by bitrate efficiency. The challenges with the market is the consumers become very comfortable consuming content on a phone. No longer is a 4-inch or 5-inch screen really a compromised experience. We're certainly seeing this with the iPhone X now, which is even capable of reproducing HDR, if you can believe that. Now, the challenge is that these experiences require more bits, more data on the network. So on one hand, yes, we have faster networks, yes, network capacity is growing, but the need for those bits and then the consumption demand is growing even greater. That's the challenge, and that's what Beamr is addressing with our solution. We're at Mobile World Congress because the application for our video technology is greatest on the mobile network. Not only is consumption increasing, but the consumer demand for quality means that operators need to deliver more bits more efficiently than they have even before, and this is creating incredible demand for a technology like Beamr's, where we can encode at the highest quality but the lowest bit rate. Beamr effectively has 3 main product categories that we develop technologies and offer solutions in. The first is video encoding. We have a range of SDKs, codec SDKs, that we offer for HEVC as well as H.264. One of them is really special. It includes a new rate control mode called CABR, that's Content Adaptive Bitrate. That product we call Beamr 5X. It's an HEVC codec SDK that is able to encode high quality 1080p at under 2 megabits, and we're having very high success with 4K at around 6 megabits, so really impressive accomplishment. The second product we have is called an optimizer, and we have a solution for both photos, JPEG photos, and for video H.264. This solution is really incredible because it can take a library of assets, reduce the size, but guarantee perceptual quality. So you end up, we like to say, with a photo or a video on a diet. Sometimes as much as 50% smaller, but the key is the quality is absolutely identical to what we began with. Amazing solution. The third is transcoder. This is a brand new category for us. We're just introducing our first video VOD transcoder. It's called the Beamr Transcoder VOD. This solution will make it so much easier for our customers to implement both our H.264 and our HEVC codecs in their video workflows. Beamr's customers include MSOs, cable companies, satellite companies, telcos, and then traditional streaming or OTT companies as well. In fact, one of our customers delivers content to more than 100 million subscribers around the world. Very, very large OTT service. But our solutions are deployed in more traditional environments as well as, shall we say, next generation. I've been a part of the company for almost 5 years now, and it's been amazing to watch the progress as we started as an image science company, really doing hardcore research in the area of how can you perceptually optimize videos and photos. Perceptually optimize meaning reduce the size but retain the quality, and watching how we've commercialized that into the solutions that we offer. 2 years ago, we bought a codec company, now integrating that technology into the codec. It's really been an amazing ride, and we're so excited for the future. The industry needs what we have to offer, and the reception has been really great.